Review of highlights. Think good and good follow. Think evil and evil follow. You are what you are. Think all day long. Your subconscious mind does not argue with you. It accepts what you are. Conscious mind decrees. If you say I can't afford it, it may be true, but do not say it. Select a good thought. Decrease. I will buy it. I accept it in my mind. In my mind. You have the power to choose health and happiness. You can choose to be friendly or you can choose to be unfriendly. Choose to be cooperative, joyous, friendly, lovable, and the whole world will respond. This is the best way to develop a wonderful personality. Your conscious mind will the watchman at the gate. Its chief function is no protect your subconscious mind from false impressions. Choose to be believe that something good can happen and it's happening now. Your greatest power is your capacity to choose happiness and abundance. The suggestion and statement of other have no power to hurt you. The only power is the movement of your own thought. You can choose to reject the thought or statement of other and affirm the good. You have the power to choose how to will react.